Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest and in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of relaxation and muscle therapy with what we believe is the best portable back and neck massager. Available in the market, the RENPHO massage gun with heat. Let's get started. If you're someone who leads an active lifestyle, whether you're a dedicated athlete or just someone who loves hitting the gym, you know how important it is to take care of your muscles. That's where the RENPHO massage gun with heat comes in. This mini percussion deep tissue massager is not just any ordinary massager. It's packed with features designed to provide you with the ultimate relaxation experience, whether you're at home or on the go. Let's talk about some of the incredible features of this massage gun. First up, the heating massage head. Unlike traditional massage guns, the RENPHO comes with a heating massage head, providing you with a warm massage experience for whole body muscle relaxation. Say goodbye to tense muscles and hello to pure bliss. But that's not all. This smart massage gun allows you to connect to the RENPHO Health app via Bluetooth. With the app, you can control the massager's speed levels and gain access to professional video courses offering visual guides designed for specific muscle groups. It's like having your massage therapist right in the palm of your hand. And let's talk about convenience. With fast Type-C charging, you can easily charge this deep tissue percussion massager with any USB connection, including power banks. No more worrying about running out of battery in the middle of your relaxation session. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, weighing in at just 680 grams. The included carrying case ensures easy storage and transport, making it the ideal companion for on-the-go muscle therapy. Whether you're traveling for work or hitting the gym, this massage gun has got your back, literally. With its powerful message capabilities, smart features, and convenient portability, the RENPHO massage gun with heat is truly in a league of its own. Whether you're an athlete looking to enhance your performance or simply someone who wants to unwind after a long day, this massage gun has something for everyone. And that wraps up our review of the RENPHO massage gun with heat. If you're interested in experiencing the ultimate relaxation experience for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Until next time, stay relaxed and rejuvenated. This is Product Critique, signing off.